Hey people, this is the monthly S21 Ultra 5G update. We are at 49% and 901, but there is something, oh my goodness, almost lost the camera. There's something really big this month. It is the update from the Android 11 to Android 12. Now, I know somebody's already posted a video. He's got 16,000 views. He's probably made like $9 million off that video. Nobody's going to watch this video, so I don't really care. Let's get this piece of dental floss out of here. And let's go. Do we have the update thing over here? No, we don't have the update. Where's the update? Okay, so I got rid of the update, but let's go over to settings, go to software update. Oh my goodness, software update 12. This update will restart your Samsung S25 Ultra 5G. During the update, you won't be able to make or receive any 911 calls for approximately 20 minutes. Why? Because it's a 2 gigabyte file. Unless you updated earlier with the beta, which Verizon didn't offer, so we are going to go down over here and we're going to install now at 901. I thought I clicked install now. Checking to see what's going on with my phone. We're updating the software. I learned, hopefully we don't have any noise. Oh, the screen's already blacked out. Hopefully we don't have any noise. I learned with the 5G, I get just an incredible amount of noise coming from the cell phone when the camera is too close. So, now this is going to be a really fast download. Obviously, I don't have Wi-Fi enabled here, so we're going straight off of the carrier's signal. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment so I can leave 9,000 ads on the video. Turn off your ad blocker. Help me out. 'Tis the season, isn't it? To make my channel just wild and crazy. Okay, so, ooh, that screen's filthy. Took about, what, like a minute and a half to download? This is really dirty. This is very dirty. I don't like that. Let's try to clean that up for the video. If anybody's still watching, everybody probably shut this off and they went over to the person who posted a video with 16,000 views. This is going really fast. I don't understand it. I don't know. I don't know why. So the channel did really well this... Let's do this in the dark. Channel did really well this month. I want to thank everybody that watches my channel. I want to thank everybody that... watches my videos and did the thumbs up and all that other cool stuff. Subscribe. Everybody begs people to subscribe. Says most views on a channel, probably like 80 to 90% of the views on a YouTube channel are not from subscribers unless the person is really famous. So people like me, you're not going to have a lot of subscribers. I don't know who subscribes. I thank you if you do. So what's going on here? We're almost at the end of the year. We are in November. What's been going on with life? I don't know. Wow, today took Mom over to the eye doctor, and that was a little bit of an ordeal, a little bit of stressful stuff. I pretty much, since my dad is no longer here, I help out my mom. I take care of everything from the bills to getting her to the doctor to house maintenance. I do it all, everything. I do all that needs to be done. Get her to her friend's house, and I just do everything. So, and I've got some sisters that have zero involvement at all. So it's rather difficult. It's very difficult. I'm thankful that I'm able to do it. I'm lucky that I'm able to do it. So I have no regrets. When I look back on it later on, I will not regret any of it. I'm more than happy to be able to do that. And you know, the cool thing is that people who watch my channel and you watch the videos, and obviously I'm monetized, as you can tell with all the billions of ads. So all that monetization, the money goes to good stuff. I'm able to help out my mom. I'm able to help her neighbor down the street. I pick up food for her and get her stuff. So she appreciates that. And with the extra money, I'm able to buy gifts and help people out, do things for people that I normally wouldn't be able to do. So took her to the eye doctor today, and I won't go into a lot of details, but very stressful. And then on the way home, she said, I want you to, when you drop me off, can you go in the house and cook something for me so I don't have to do it? And I said, I'm not cooking for you. I drove straight over and got her a fat burger and fries. And I said, none of this is healthy, and it's loaded with fat, and you need calories because you didn't eat breakfast, and here you go. And she was thrilled. So, when you get to that point in life, you balance out, are they eating or are they not eating? And most of the time, people that get older, they don't want to eat. They just they don't eat. And that's why they end up in the hospital. They don't eat. They have no desire. They lose their desire to eat stuff, and their taste buds aren't the same, and they don't want to eat. They think they're full, and so you get to the point where you say, do I beg them to eat, or do I bring in food that they want to eat? And the doctor says, give them food that they want to eat. At this point, you just give them what they want. Doesn't matter if it's healthy. You're not going to change their life expectancy by that much more. So if they don't eat, you're going to be in big trouble. So picked up a burger, and she was thrilled. And what else is going on? I just made what did I make? A birdhouse? No, I didn't make the birdhouse. The birdhouse is next. What am I thinking? I made a squirrel picnic table. Zillions of people online have videos on how to do it, so I figured, why shouldn't I have a video? Nobody's going to watch it. I'm not going to make any money off of it. I'm not famous. I'm not a celebrity. I don't have 1 million views. I don't have people that think I'm the greatest thing in the world. So I'm really bad with wood. I'm terrible. Everything I do with wood comes out to be a nightmare. So I made the picnic table, and it came out really good. I'm surprised. I have to sand it. I got to do a little bit of sanding. Somebody that helped me cut the wood, their saw just ripped the wood to pieces. It's plywood. So next time I'll use my Japanese pole saw. It will take me days and days to cut, but it will come out nice and smooth, and that's the way to do it when you don't know what you're doing. Would I buy a table saw? I could afford a table saw. I don't know if I want to deal with the danger and losing fingers and kickback. And yeah, I'm not really into wood that much, but I wanted to do the squirrel picnic bench. And pretty incredible. That's been posted for a few days, and a ton of people have looked at that video. It's made zero money. And YouTube even said that it said you've got a lot of people viewing. I forget how they word it. You got a lot of views. You have people are going through it really fast, so you're making no money off of it, but you're getting a lot of views. So maybe one of these days it will be a viral video, and I'll make, what did I get? I got a message from YouTube on one of my videos. You have made 0.0003, what is that? 3,000th of a penny? Oh boy, where did they come up with that? What was that, like a 1-second ad? How did they even come up with that number? I also had another one where I made 0.0004. So I'm just sitting here talking. I'm going to talk through the whole video. Nobody watches my videos anyway. I've got, my channel's got like 4 million, 3 million views, 4 million views. I think I've got like 30,000. I just went into the 30,000 subscribers. 30,000 with about 4 million views. And I would love to get that 100,000 subscriber thing. That's not going to happen in my lifetime. I would love to have just a wild channel where I'm pulling in 40,000 a month, 50,000 a month off of all this monetization. the stuff I could do with 50K, that I don't really need money. You only need so much money. You need money to pay your bills, and if you don't go out and waste money, you don't have a lot of bills except to live, and food, and medical, and luckily I'm not at a point in life where I have that many medical bills. I got very little. So you don't need money. You just need money to get by in life. And if you're really rich, you go out and spend all that money on houses. You buy a $20 million house, because what else are you going to do with all your money? And you go buy tons of cars and Rolexes, and then people rob you, and I don't need that. Okay, so we've been going for, I don't even know how long. I'm trying to figure out, I don't want to drop the camera again. Going for about 11 minutes, 10 minutes on the video so far. I can put an ad like every 2 minutes, right? Turn off that ad blocker. Help me out. So we're at the Samsung. It's not focusing well. And I guess that was the 2 gigabyte download. Now we're going to do the install. And when it does the when it does that other part where it checks, what does it call? I can't remember, the modules. That's what it was on the BlackBerry. When it checks all the stuff, it used to go to around 470. With this one, I don't know if it's going to go further. They've made some changes on this new version, UI for Android 12. It's supposed to run better. You get some options for making the phone run better, or memory, or battery life. You can set it where it will charge normally, like it does, full charge, or 85%, and some split screen stuff. You know, watch the other videos if you want to learn all that garbage. I don't really care about that. I use my cell phone not like a crutch or a wheelchair like a lot of people out there do. I just use it to get by in life. A few social media messages come up to me, and maybe I'll look at them. Usually when I'm out, the cell phone stays in the pocket, and I don't look at it at all. If the phone rings, I might answer it, depending on what area I'm in. Sometimes I don't want that phone coming out of my pocket. I don't want somebody to come up and say, give it to me, which I don't know if they still steal phones off of people. Now they take other stuff. The phone stays in my pocket. When I'm in the car, I don't answer the phone. I used to, not anymore. The phone doesn't really, I do it for, to keep in touch in case something goes on with my mom or the family. But I used to have a home phone. I used to have Vonage. It's really kind of funny, another story since I'm rambling on. I had Vonage, and I had so many tech problems with them after years and years of being a good customer that I just thought, I'm getting rid of the phone number. I don't really need it now. I'll just go to the cell phone. And they were trying to fix a problem. I put in a help ticket. And about 4 months after I canceled my service, I get an email saying, we have fixed the problem. Hopefully this helps you. And I wrote back and I said, are you kidding? I haven't had service in 4 months. How could you fix a problem on my number when I haven't had my number with you in 4 months? So the phone, I got a computer at home. I got 2 computers, 2 desktops, gaming machines, really fast for my video edits in 4K. I don't need a cell phone. I don't do all that fancy stuff, posting photos like everyone else does, and tracking my life and showing the whole world, the family, and what I do. You know, I don't need to deal with that stuff. I just I do my videos. I take care of my dog. I make sure my mom's okay. I help out the neighbors, the elderly neighbors. Okay, so we're at 14 minutes now. Why didn't this black out and then do the module update? Normally I would go touch the screen. We got a black screen. No, don't shut off the video. Now I'm wondering if it restarted. Let me touch it. That's really weird. That's very odd. It didn't do any of the module. It just totally installed a whole new OS. It's trying to get the weather, so it's not done. There's always that update is your update is complete. No, you are up to date. You're up to date. YOU_RE for people out there that don't know English. So we are at, what are we at right now? We're at 46%. This only used 3%. It shows SIM card manager, SIM 1, And then it's got my phone number, and then it says add mobile plan, preferred SIM card 1. I don't know why that came up. That's very strange. I've never seen that before. Done. So I might have to shut this off in a minute. I don't know if we're finished. Well, that's pretty interesting. Update canceled November 22nd. I don't know what this is all about. Software update, October 14th is the update thing. It's, what is that? Is that 12? I don't know what the heck they're doing here. I just want to show you. That's what I want to show you. UI 4.0, Android version 12. And the Google Play update over there. So that's going to be the end of my video.